Hey techies, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video I'm going to teach you install Docker packages and start the Docker services. So let's get over lab session, and here it is my uh, VM over here which is up and running. So in order to complete this task, so I need to switch into the my app servers. So my app servers like SS2, Tony and Stab 01. So let's copy here and SS2 here. Yes, and password. So now I'm there to here my app server. So let's get installed for our Docker. So in order to do that, go to your Chrome browser. Let's type it for based on our operating system. Install Docker CentOS 9. So if you can't able to find your OS flavor, you go to here and just type it cat/etc/os-release. Then you can find your OS version and OS flavor. So mine is for CentOS and the version 9. So based on that, I searched in Google and get the documentation for install the Docker. So here it is the documentation, and also I prepared the one of the documentation over there which is available here. So same documentation, and from we are going to install our Docker. So let's get started. Now I'm installing a required package for the utilities. So just to copy this, go, go to my instance, I run it. I can see here is there is no gap here between. Then install it. So we have installed now for the YAML utilities. Then we need to add our repositories. This is add these official Docker repository. You just copy these links and copy it and make command is corrected. You need to add repository, bring it space over here and copy it again. Then go to your VM and adding repo. So add a repo here and moving to next step. Install Docker and Docker Compose both. So we have the command sudo yum install -y docker c and docker CLI container.io and Docker Compose plugin both. So copy this and make correct your there is no gap between here, and also Compose and copy this and type enter. So it may take some time, so let's wait for it. And so now successfully installed. Let get start the Docker service now. So for that we have the enable and start the Docker. Copy sudo enable docker and paste it here and enter here. I think I made a mistake here. There is no space between here. Yeah, it's been created now. Let's stick for status sudo system ctl status docker. So now our docker service up and running. Also, you can type it docker hyphen version in order to check our docker versions. So the docker versions are 29.62. So now we have successfully installed our docker. So I hope you like this video. If you like this video, like and share and subscribe. Thanks for watching.